Welcome to Winning Products.
So if they're going to have winning product, call them soft newborn baby wrap, blankets, baby sleeping bag, envelope for newborn sleep for newborn sleeps sack cotton ticking cocoon for baby of 0 to 9 months. The budget have 4.8-star reviews on AliExpress with 1,806 reviews and 9,318 orders. Um, sold on AliExpress the cost of 9.65 USD. It comes to different color variation. Now, why is a winning product? It's a winning product because it solves a particular problem. It helps protect and shield the baby during the winter period. As you can see, check on Google uh, winter and spring period. Check on Google spring's United States. Spring starts on March 20 or 21 and lasts until June 20 or 21. The first day of spring happens on the spring equinox, which marks the astronomical beginning of spring. So during this period, newborn babies need to be covered up to prevent them from catching a flu or cold. Going for like comes to different kid size, up to 0 to 3 meters, 6 meters, and 9 meters. It has free shipping from United States via AliExpress standard shipping. Expect deliveries on May 8th. The marketing strategy is to target seller products, USA and UK TikTok influencers, um, Google search ads, um, YouTube search ads, um, and as a marketing strategy, um, US and UK Twitter influencers, um, YouTube video ads. Um, for the proposed trading results for soft and newborn baby wrap and blankets, baby sleeping bag envelope for newborn, sleep sack, cotton ticking, cocoon for babies up to 9 months. The cost price on it is 9.65. Total shipping and cost is, which is free, $7, and the cost profit you have a cost profit of 20.34 USD. Decide to sell at 29.99 USD.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now. If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.